not really working very hard. This is nice. Anybody in the Peace region, Stark Industrial Services. Like, honestly, super easy to deal with, extremely fair. Like, you know, try his hardest to get everything done you want done. Like, it's just excellent. I was gonna do a thing. I don't think he'll go for it because of the safety aspect, but anyways, I will ask him. You'll know soon enough if he agrees. Like, look at all the space this is making. So as he's moving the pile out, he's like digging the dirt out and firing it in. I got a hell of a good load on that truck. I guess I should take that up there tonight. But yeah, this is fantastic. I've got all of my flat screens out, and in so I'm on the third box, and I've got a pallet with a bunch of them on the pallet in under here. But yeah, so I've got my third box that I've started on for the displays. I shouldn't say I've got all of them. There's still a whole bunch in that IBC tote of like small computer monitors and small TVs and stuff. But the yeah, the rest is all the CRTs. I'll take you in. I'll take you inside and wait till you see all the space I've made. So I've got this IBC is empty. I've got the top cut off of it. And so I just got this walkway here. But I got all of those TVs and everything out of here. Like all of the flat screens. I've got all of the flat screens out of here. Still got to get this stuff out. I'll probably burn this winter. But, oh, I missed one. One flat screen there. But, yeah, this feels pretty good, I gotta say. Like, I've got all this insulation too. I had a weird dream that I came in here and there was a bear living in the insulation. We've had all these bear scares lately. We haven't, like, I haven't been bothered by any of them, but yeah, I just had this weird vision because this door is always open, so the cats go in there and sleep. But so this TV's going too. That I get to ship these out whole like that, which is crazy. But I mean, I get paid by weight, so that's good. And oh, I got this big one here too. I gotta take that out. These ones have to go on the pallets though. But yeah, so slowly. Then I've got like over in these totes, I'm sure I've showed you before. So I've got there's a bunch of monitors and stuff in here, like in this jumble. And then I've got this tote, that's just circuit boards. The whole thing is just circuit boards. So what else? I don't know what I got back here. I've got more wire. So I got all this this big bin full of wire, that bin full of wire, this bin full of copper pipe. Oh, there's some, oh no, there's sweat-on valves. There's another TV screen. There's a, oh yeah, this is all copper bearing. All right, yeah, so I got all this copper in here too. Yeah, that treadmill is still good, but nobody wants treadmills apparently. So Anyways, this is my, I got the compressors. And I still got some, oh yeah, I don't know what to do with that. I think I'll scrap this. I've tried, like I've asked around about it, and people say that nobody wants them. Nobody wants to work on them, so maybe that'll be a scrapping project. And I don't know. Oh, I got that jet pump. Yeah, there's so much to do, but oh, there's another flat screen over there. Oh, there's another one down there under the bench. Yeah, so there's still some left, but I mean, I got a lot of them out of here. I'm proud of me. Still got lots of wire, just not the wire I need. I had to go and spend $223 today on wire for the hot water heater. I don't have any more flat screens out here. So, yeah, very, very impressed. I'm very happy with the work he's done here. And Ed at Forester Backhoe Services, he did amazing too. But, alright, that's it for today. I'm gonna go ask him if he'll do the thing. Okay. No, he politely declined my request. Anyhow, all right, so that's that. We got. Oh, I should take you over here too. The canoe. Still got all of this. Oh, that's a pile of shred. I gotta. Oh yeah, there's still wiring in it too. Rims. That door, the whole the screen and everything is going in there. I got my ramps. I got another ladder back here. God, I got a lot of ladders now. That's a plate tamper, but I guess I should just tear this generator apart. I'm never gonna figure out how to fix it. Yeah, well. Anyhow, that's how she looks. Pretty good. Pretty good.